Alrighty guys, camo here, and today we're going to be unboxing my remote that I got. I had this remote already, as you can see right here. Here is this one that I normally use, but this button right here it got messed up, so I cannot build stairs, nothing like that. So I went and got a new one, but as of course it came from Walmart, and it's broken right there. And where they cut open the box full of them, there is a slit right here. Yeah, so hopefully everything is still good. So open it up and see. I got the Armed Forces number 2. This is the color I like. It seems like a lot of them like this. This is the last one. Oh, that's good. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I am so happy about that. A little dust on it though. Kind of all over it. But that is the remote. Look exactly the same. I really haven't had this one this long. I had to go buy another one of this too. But anyways guys, that's the video. I just wanted to show you that I got a new remote and I really wanted to record it. If there's something wrong with this remote, so I could take it back in case anything was wrong. But anyways guys, that's the video. I know it was a little short one. I just wanted to show you guys that I got a new remote. And I will see you guys in the next type of videos. If you like these types of update videos, like on my hardware and stuff, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below that you like these types of videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.